Welcome to Laser and Manufacturing, a company with more than 10 years of experience working with strength and dedication, creating solutions for metal parts manufacture in high and low volume. We have the experience gained through these years to perform with the highest quality required services such as laser cutting, CNC bending, water jet cutting, CNC machining, welding, industrial marking laser, liquid penetrant testing, and electrostatic paint. In our Vanguard machinery, which we guarantee precision and speed with. Our workers are trained to operate and work optimally, providing quality, efficiency, and safety at all times. We have quality certifications such as ISO 9001:2015, AS 9100, APQP for wind, and AWS. Our quality system complies with EATF 16949 requirements. Thanks to this, we still offer manufacturing solutions for the automotive, aerospace, metalworking, agribusiness, household appliances, and renewable energy industries, adapting to their high-quality standards, which has led us to deliver pieces throughout Mexico and across our borders, exporting to North America and Europe. Laser and Manufacturing is located in Mexico, close to the most important ports and borders, to cover the needs of small, medium, and large companies. With two production plants in Querétaro, a representative office in León, Guanajuato, and recently in Houston, Texas. Values are a strong alloy that provide a solid structure to a company, leading us in every process to identify ourselves with leadership, collaboration, integrity, and passion, which in the end makes of Laser and Manufacturing a leading company in the field, committed to innovation, quality, and customer service.